Good evening, friends. I hope you are everyone well. Today I am going to show you many topics about Satoshi application. So please follow me. First I am going to show you how to create a Metamask wallet and how we can use it. I have posted on my Telegram channel about Metamask wallet. You can see here I have posted two different languages, one Hindi and another one English. You can follow anyone, and first you have to create this account, Metamask wallet. After you complete this Metamask wallet, you have to open your Satoshi application, and you will see your option. Receive 3K has participate in the testnet transfer transaction. But new miner will receive 10K has. Okay, few days you will get 10K has, thereafter you will get 3K has. See here there are rules. How to participate in the testnet transfer transaction. Add wallet address that you have to create Metamask wallet. Generate a transaction at the wallet address. I will show you now. And third, receive the hash once every day. You can see here. You will get this. Now I'm going to show you second option. Okay, generate a transaction wallet address. After completing the transfer transaction, please wait for 1 minute before receiving the hash. Once you complete the testnet transaction, you have to wait 1 minute to receive the hash. I have actually created already my Metamask wallet. Once you open your Metamask wallet, you will see like this interface. Okay. So first you have to open your Satoshi application and see your brand update announcement. You have to click here. Now you have to go downside. See your core testnet, core chain testnet. You have to click here and select Metamask. You will see like this interface open. You have to go below section. You will see this option C, add core network. You have to click here. See here, success. I have actually already created already. You will see name touch Satoshi chain testnet. Okay. Then I am going to show you how to do a transaction and receive 10K hash. Once you complete your Metamask wallet, you have to choose this option, because when you complete Metamask wallet, you will see only one account and you cannot transaction one account. You have to choose the option create new account here. Sorry, You will see here, create a new one, create a new account. Okay, you have to choose here, you have to click here. You can see now account 4 created. Okay, but I will use my third account. Okay, you will see like this same. You can choose also anyone. Then you will get your wallet. You have to click here. Sorry, one more things I have to tell you. See here my account holds here 0.58295 Btcs. You can get daily 1 Btcs. How will you get this? Now I'm going to show you. You have to go browser. And you can come here. See, fetch this token from faucet. You have to click here. Open. Now you have to click I am not a robot. Then you have to choose your primary account. Okay, my first account reject, I am not using it anymore. You can use your first account, but currently I am using my second account. You have to click wallet. Okay, see here account 2. You have to go wallet. You have to copy this. Copy. Then you have to go again browser and paste here. And you have to click get T-core. See here, transaction successful. You can click also get USDT. We will discuss about it later, about get USDT and how you can swap it T-core. Okay. Now you can see my account. See here 1.1 Btcs received already. Okay. Now I will show you how to do a transaction and receive the 10 cash. You have to choose your second account. Currently I am in third account. And copy the wallet address. See here. Again go your first account where you already have Btcs. Then click on send and paste the second account wallet address. Next you have to click next. You can put here H you want transfer your Btcs. Now I am putting here 0.0001 Btcs. You have to click next. You have to click send. See your transaction submit, waiting for confirmation. See your confirmed. Okay. Once you complete this, you have to wait 1 minute. Now I'm going to backside. You can receive 1 minute later. Currently I am used few hours before, so I cannot use this right now. But if you are using first time, you can receive it within 1 minute. Okay. Next, I am going to show you how to delegate coin. These are CoreDAO group. You can get anything what you want. You can ask here general section. Here you will get also help. Now I am going to discuss about coin delegate. How to reward through this coin delegate. I have not much knowledge about coin delegate. You can ask here. They will help you. Okay. Now I'm going to see and I'm going to coin delegate. For coin delegate, you have to open your browser. 1 minute. You have to go here validator.test BTCS network. I will put this one by one on my Telegram channel, where you will access it easily. Okay. You have to click here, search. You can see here validator status, hybrid score, APR. But I never use the last 3 one. Okay. They are very dangerous, don't use them. You can use from here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Don't use these 3. They are very dangerous. Now you have to click. There are 5-6 type of node. You can ask here. Okay. Where you will get more profit, they will explain you. I have not much knowledge, but I am simply anyone now going to use. Now I am choosing last one. But one more thing, bear in mind, you have to keep your wallet on Btcs sufficient, otherwise you will be unable to delegate the coin. Okay, so must receive. You can receive 1 Btcs within 24 hours. Now you have to click delegate coin. Delegate. See here my balance. Okay. You have to click confirm. See here transaction success. Transaction 110 float. Now how do you check your reward? You can click 3 dots. You will see your wallet address here. Okay, Metamask wallet, where you are already connected on the Satoshi application. This wallet already connected with my application. You have to click my stacking. See here, I have deposit total 3074 and reward I have got 0.369041. Okay. Now you can see here also. To the date, everything here. Now I'm going to close this Metamask. I will post here all links. Okay. And please like, subscribe my channel, where you will get your regular update. Thank you, friend.